Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Community. In this session, we are going to see about shift registers in Omron PLC. Before entering into the topic, kindly like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates and videos. SFT is the instruction for shift register, instruction name for shift register in Omron PLC. Alright, so here we are having 5 variables. One is data input, another one is shift input, another one is reset, and we have 2 word address, which is starting word and ending word. Okay, so the purpose of data input is like which one we want to move. Those detail will be given by this data input, whether we want to move the 0 or the bit 1. Okay, so bit 1 in the sense like 1 or 0, which one we have to move, that one. Those detail will be given by this data input. Another one is shift input, which is like where or when we have to move, not exactly where, it is when we have to move. So whenever this shift input is coming, we are moving a bit one time. Okay, and reset input is like resetting back to the home condition. Okay, you can start this from the beginning. For that we are having the reset input. And how about this starting word and end word? So these will be having the address details. Okay, and that will be having some data, and we will be moving the data towards left side. Okay, the default direction of this SFT instruction is left side. All right, so let's see that. So here we are having the data input. Okay, the data of this 0.05, whether it may be a 1 or it may be a 0, correct? Those 1 or 0 will be coming to this 0th bit. For every pulse, for every shift input on, we will be moving 1 bit towards left, and that 1 bit will be a 1 or 0. The data of that first bit will be 0 or 1, that will be depends upon this 0.05. Okay, and how long it have to continue, that will be telling by this address, end address. So up to 130, it will be moving. Can you see here? It will start shifting for each pulse and it will end at 130. 130 channels 16th bit. The data of 16th bit will be remain lost. Okay, so let's see how to do that in the software. So let's take SFT and I'm giving the address. Let's take the same address. Instead of 130, I'm taking 129. Okay, so it's having a 3 input. One is data, next one is shift input, next one is reset. Let's connect all. Let's give the name for this. This is going to be your shift input. Okay, so let's go to the online simulator. Let's give some random data in the 128. Let's take a toggle window. So I'm giving 128 and next is 129. Okay, so let's give some value in 128. I'm giving F051. Okay, you can see the binary value of this F051. Okay, now the data input, that is 0 now, right? It's not turned on, it is 0 now. So whenever I'm giving a shift input, 1 0 is added in the first bit, I mean 0th bit of 128. and this 1 will be moving to the next location. This 0 is moving to the next location, like that it will move. So this 0 will be coming to the 0th bit of 129. So let's see that. See, this 1 is shifted here, one new 0 is added here. So I'll do it again. So one more shift will be happening. See, one more 0 added. This 1 is came here. What if I have a 1 here? So I'll turn on the data input. Okay. Now give one more pulse. So now what will happen? 0 will be moving to the first bit, and here we are having 1. 1 will be added here. So look at that. 1 is added here. So like that you can move 1 or 0, depends upon the data input. Okay. So what will happen if I do the reset? Let's do that and check. See, everything back to 0, and you can give new value to 128 and you can start your cycle again. Let's start with this. Let's start with 0, 0 only. So what will happen? Only 0 will be completely shifting towards left. Look at that. There will be no data. You cannot able to see because 0, no, already it is. So it will be shifting, adding 0 and shifting 0, adding, shifting like that. So let's turn on the data input. Let's give another pulse. It's a pulse. It's not taking the continuous input, it's a pulse. So 1 is added at the left and it will be shifting towards left for the next pulse. Look at this. Alright. So I hope you have understand this shift register. I'll meet you in the next session with another interesting topic in shift register. Kindly like and subscribe our channel for more updates and videos. Thank you.